Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today's video is an unboxing and today we're going to be looking at the Soundpeats Space wireless headset. Thank you to the people over at Soundpeats for gifting me these headphones to have a look at and review, and without further ado, let's get into it.
This is me testing the mic on the wireless headset. I already know from listening back to it, but it does sound quite muffly. However, I'm not too fussed because the main feature on these headphones is the sound quality, so it's to be expected that the mic isn't probably going to be as good, especially if it's a wireless headset.
So one thing that actually really stuck out to me about these headphones was that they have around 123 hours of playtime on a single charge. So I put it to the test. So I started this experiment last week Wednesday, and I started bright and early in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning before work. I made sure the headphones were fully charged, and then I had them on for the rest of the day while I was working. And then I went out for a walk and came back, and by then it was around like 7 p.m. So we're ranging around like 10 to 13 hours of playtime currently. So last weekend I was traveling to Birmingham for Insomnia Gaming Festival, so I took the headphones with me to continue the test, and I had them on all the way from Wednesday 7 p.m. all the way up until Saturday 12:46 p.m, which is when I actually turned them off, just because I was going to the festival and doing Insomnia stuff and yada yada yada. And then on Sunday I turned on the headphones in the morning and then turned them off at about 10-11 Sunday evening. So all in all, in terms of how many hours I tracked of playtime, it was around 85. Pros and cons of my experiment, because it was not perfect. The pros was that the headphones actually managed to last a very long time consistently. So I'm happy with myself for being able to see that. But one thing to be mindful about is that sometimes the headphones disconnected from my Bluetooth, so they weren't always playing music. So the headphones actually could have lasted a lot longer. And also, like, realistically, who's gonna have the headphones running for like 24 hours a day, please? Not any normal person, that's for sure. And I'm sure that if you're using the headphones like a normal member of society, they'll last a lot longer than 85 hours consistently from what I was doing. But what I did like about the headset is that they were adjustable and easy to wear, very comfortable, especially because I wear glasses. One con that I would say is probably the material of the earmuffs. When I was walking out and about with the headphones, I would get quite hot and the area around my ears would get a little bit sweaty. So that's one thing to be mindful of about those. Another con is that people can hear my music in normal mode. I raise my hand. I am that person who plays their music loudly on the train because I just want to listen to my music in peace. However, I'm also very conscious about people hearing my music. So with the headphones in normal mode, it was quite easy for people to hear my music when I'm wearing the headphones themselves. So I was just mindful of that. But other than that, I think they are a great pair of headphones and I will definitely be using them in my everyday life. Thank you again to the people over at Soundpeats for sending me the headphones to review, and I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching from in the world, and I'll see you all in my next YouTube video. Bye!